For secure additional cargo storage, the Subaru Accessory cargo box carrier is a great option. After you've completed the pre-assembly of your accessory cargo box, carefully lift and place it onto the roof crossbars of your Subaru. Having another person to help you will make this step easier. Once you've properly positioned the cargo box, you can secure it according to the manufacturer's specifications. To open the cargo box from either side, first make sure you've fully closed and locked the opposite side of the cargo box. When loading, make sure your items are distributed evenly, with the heaviest, bulkiest objects in the middle and tied down securely. Next, close the cargo box, lock it, and get started on your travels.